Okay, these are cute, bro. Quality, guys. Like, what you mean, bitch? Like, what do you mean, sorry? We spent money. Hi, love. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to go get my hair did. The maintenance vlogs are back again because I gotta do maintenance on myself. Like, look how busted and dusty and wrong, like everything is just not done. My nails not done, eyelashes, hair not done. So in this video, that's what we're going to do. I have this hat on because, girl, my hair is a mess under here and I don't want to deal with it, and I don't want anybody else to deal with it except for the hairstylist. It's currently 7 in the morning and today I'm doing butterfly locks, and I think they like short length, like here. So I'm very excited. I always wanted to do butterfly locks and I never got the chance to until now. I'm doing them in partnership with Heyyy. So hungry. If you know my mom, bro, she doesn't eat in the morning. So I'm going to starvation, but I think we're gonna stop by the garage. So then probably gonna buy some food. And then outfit wise, my Air Forces and my parachute pants. My parachute pants, and we can go. Okay, so we did a whole outfit change. Now I'm wearing this two-piece with Crocs because my mom said I look too serious just to go do my hair. Like, she said I should relax. So yeah. Okay, I am in hair hoodies. Your hair hoodie. Anyway, this hair is so painful. Like, why can't there be a knotless version of this? Because this is pain, bro. Like, it's so painful. Like, I don't miss the pain of non-knotless braids. Like, what? And it's like you can't even do shit, bro. Like, it's so painful. Anyway, I got back home to a package. Professional package. Hello. They said that I'm gonna receive them in like 3. I'm gonna receive 3 at it. Like, I'm gonna receive 3 because apparently there was a break, and I think it's because of yeah, it's definitely because of the shoes. I got shoes. Okay. Happy. Yo, look how damaged this box is. The wall. Remember, I got size 7 shoes. If you want to see everything, I'm just gonna show you the shoes. But who you know, like, guys, if you know me, I literally wear size all the time. So I literally have white fake Crocs, I have the nude Crocs, and I have black slides, and now I have the bubble white ones. And I got them I wear size 7 in US size, but in South African size or like UK size I wear 4.5, which is translates to a 5. So I got in a size 7. Let's see if it fits. Like, it fits. What do you mean? It's so cute. And it feels so comfortable. Fashionable haul coming in like 2 weeks to a month. But a fashionable haul is coming and it's gonna feature a cute little baby. It's a cute little baby. I thought, look, nah, these are cute, bro. Like, what do you mean? These are so cute. Okay, so that's why my package is coming in 2 different things, because I got 2 pairs of shoes. The other pair that I got are heels. The other pair that I got are heels, and the reason I got heels is because Mom's been telling me that I need more heels in my life, but then I wore outfits and then they were like, oh, this outfit would have slapped or hit harder with heels, and it was true. I was like, okay, I need to get heels because at this point this is ridiculous. So I got heels. So quality, guys. Guys, it's quality. Like, it's heavy, eh? Like, this part is heavy. And these are also in a size 7, which translates to a size 5. But damn it, guys, so I bad beach. Like, this year I'm going to buy bad beach. Trying to really level up. My single girl era needs to be filled with that bitch energy. Like, fuck men. But I want to put it on serious, man. Like, if you want to see it serious, you must check out my Instagram. So much work just to put this thing on. Oh my days, I need to figure out how it actually goes on. I must check the picture. But like, it fits. It fits, y'all. Anyway, it fits. So yeah, if you wanna see how it fits, wait for the haul and follow my Instagram because okay. It's so cute. So tomorrow I'm going to go get my nails done. So there's that. What else? Oh, and I got a bag, dude. Like, setting myself up for success in my bad bitch era. Like, we will be successful. We will be the baddies. Like, this year, I wanna like be real. Like I'm gonna style my outfits. Like, I'm gonna style my outfits. My hair's gonna be done. My nails is always gonna be done. My hair's always gonna be done. Like, my hair's always done. Do you know what I mean? It comes in a dust bag. Like, you know, guys, nah, let me tell you, they're not gorgeous. And I was like, nah, because I always wear the same black and white bag. And I was like, no, man, I need to zhuzh up my life. Like, I need to switch it up a little so that I have like options. It has a fucking zip in there. I didn't know that. My head hurts. And I like how big it is. If you know me, my bag is always full. Always full. I have my power bank like always. Like, it's always full. So a big bag like this is beautiful. And it's from U Style under Fashion Nova. It's U Style. So yes, those are the extra weird things that I got. The other stuff that I got are clothing. So I have to wait for my other package, but I think it's gonna come either tomorrow or something. So yeah, for now, like, this is all I can talk to you about. Like, I'll see you guys tomorrow when we go get my nails done. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to day 2. Welcome to day 2. Welcome to day 2, guys. So today we're going to get our nails done because I also got my nails done before I went to Durban, remember? And the nail tech that I went to fucked up and like my nails were horrible. So they were falling off, they were breaking. So something needed to happen. I'm bringing this back. Like, what you mean, bitch? What you mean? Let me show you the fit. So I'm just wearing shorts. And I'm wearing my dunks. And like, yeah, this is me today. It's currently 8 o'clock. I need to leave at 8:30. The reason I'm leaving early is because I need to go somewhere first before I go get my nails done. Plus, I want to get to that nail place early because I don't want to, like, the nail bar that I go to has gang nail artists, hairdressers. It's just like a salon with a lot of nail artists. So when I go there, when I went there last time, the lady that did my nails sat in front of the lady that I want to go to. So if I get there before the lady that did my nails last time, my excuse can just be, you want here, so I asked her to do them for me. If she recognizes me, if she doesn't recognize me, there is no need for me to explain myself, because you know you fucked up, and we sent her pictures and all she could say was sorry. Like, what do you mean sorry? We spent money, like try to fix, like a few days after I've done my nails, they're breaking. Nails are supposed to last up to like 3 weeks. They're telling me mine didn't even last a week and they're breaking. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean? Yeah, I don't want to go to her, but I want to go to the lady in front of her, because I feel like she looked really good, and all the people that she was doing were like students, young girls. So I was like, nah, she must be good. You know when the girls go to her, good. So I'm gonna go eat something and then we are going to leave. I am gonna take you guys with me today. Yesterday I didn't take you like to my appointment because the lady that does my hair, she does it at her house. So I wanted to respect her personal space. Therefore I did not film. But today it's a no boss, so I'm just gonna film and stuff. But let's go. I have an appointment at 9:30, so I need to leave the house at 8:30 because it takes an hour to get there. Got back from getting my nails done. These are the nails. I put videos in already, and we just got pictures because I need pictures for this hair so that I can submit them hopefully today. And then now we're just gonna eat because I haven't eaten the whole day. Basically I haven't eaten the whole day. So yeah, I was like get stressed. It's like I'm so stressed. But my nails came out perfect. I like them. I really like them personally. Hopefully they last, because if they don't last, then, and I got them short, it's giving wifey material. Period. I look so rough because I'm so tired. Thank you. You know the McDonald's Sprite be hitting. Hits the throat. Deeper than it quenches your thirst. Chips. They're so hard. Mama, exactly. Can you see the color that I like? Like it looks like an alien. Literally to the T. It don't bend down. So I just got back home and I got back to a package, which I think is everything. This is everything, or I have one more. Yeah, no, this is everything. So, oh my, these are like all my packages. All my packages are finally here. Yeah, I'm so tired. I'm happy with my nails. Now I need to edit some pictures and then send them in for submission, and then I need to upload my mom's hair. But yeah, and then I don't know if I want to still go do my eyelashes, thing about my eyelashes is, nah, when I do my eyelashes, I think I'm allergic to the adhesive, because the last time I did my lashes, I basically had to drink allergics the whole time, and I would cry the whole time. Every single time I get in the sun, the thing would melt into my eyes, and then I would like literally not be able to see, and cry the whole time. Basically my eyes were puffy and red the whole entire time. So now I'm thinking, do I go through the process again, or again? Maybe if I go to a different person, it'll be a different thing. I don't know, bro, but I'll keep you guys updated if that's the case. And like, I'm not gonna do my lashes, then like there's nothing more to the video, then this would be the end of the video. Decide to go do them, then I'll go do them. But I have such sensitive eyes, bro, so I don't know, but I'll keep you guys updated. Love you. Hi guys, so yeah, this is the fit for dinner. Let me show you real quick. This is the fit. I'm gonna put up pictures that I took today for Instagram. But yeah, I just got back home now, and basically this is the end of the vlog. We got our hair done, we got our nails done, we got our outfits. Like, what more do we need? I decided not to do my lashes because I don't want to waste money just to like pull them out after us, because I can't see, you feel me? So if you did get to this part of the video, I love you so much, and I appreciate you guys so much. I'm so grateful, and I hope you have an amazing weekend. Today is Friday. Today? Yes, Saturday. Friday. I think today's Saturday. Today's Saturday. So have an amazing weekend. Have an amazing week ahead. Love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in a couple of days, because I'm trying to be consistent and be present and be a YouTube hand, because why not? Bye.